Let's talk about thesis. A thesis can be an intimidating thing, especially because it's a word we don't use as much in high school. But a thesis is simply a statement that is the main idea or main argument of your essay. Sometimes, when writing, especially in high school, we have the idea that the main idea of our essay should be a surprise that comes at the end. But we have to look at academic writing as a little less exciting than that. Academic writing should be a bit more boring, and we want to put that main idea right in the front of the essay, typically as the last sentence or last two sentences of your introduction paragraph. So a thesis should be strong. It should clearly answer your essay question or prompt. The essay prompt is frequently in a question, and your thesis should never be a question, but should be an answer to that question. Now, when you move beyond E&C 1101 in my class, I stop giving you the full question and you have to develop the question yourself. We'll talk about that more in another video. For 1101, often you're given a question that your thesis should then answer. It should be specific and it should prepare your reader for your essay as a whole. I'm going to give some examples for the three essays I use in 1101. The prompt might be something like, what did you learn in nature? And here is what the example thesis would be like. For a rhetorical analysis essay, which you can see my TikTok on what a rhetorical analysis is, for that you're saying which author has a stronger argument. And you can see in this example that the thesis leaves you with no questions. As the reader, you know which author this writer thinks has a stronger argument. And my final example is for an argumentative essay. While your prompt might be different for your professor, what you can see in this example and in all the examples is that the thesis is very specific. Your introduction would lead into this, so this would be the last sentence of your introduction. And for more information on introductions, you can see my TikTok on introductions.